Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here is today one very, very fantastic case by grace of Allah is done by me. This sister Sadia approached me this morning about 10 o'clock uh, and her carer because she is has become disabled from last 8 months. Uh, and Sister, sorry, what's your name?
My name is Nemo.
Sister Nemo brought Sister Sadia because she is sick from 1991 and constantly sick from last 35 years. And in the civil war, her whole family was killed in front of her, and she has been humiliated. I don't want to use the word 5 times.
Yeah.
And then she lost her brain, and she became mental health. And by any way, uh, she came to Britain, and she got citizenship. She has been treated by many psychologists, many doctors, many hospitals, but she did not get any benefit. And now when she came in the morning, her tummy was a minimum 1 feet, how much it was?
She
Roughly
looked
1 foot.
Yeah,
1 foot up.
5
Okay.
months pregnant.
Yeah, Sister Nima was saying she was appearing like 5 months, 5 months pregnant, and she had a very high bloating. She had pain in all the body, and according to my rough assessment, her liver was completely gone. So I told her that, sister, you don't worry, inshallah, you will be okay within a few hours. And Alhamdulillah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala kept the honor of my words and honored my words. And Alhamdulillah, within 3 hours, she started feeling so good that she was walking without stick. Now, just because she has not got confidence, then she has got still stick with her. Otherwise, whole day she was walking without sticks, and she used to go to toilet only once in every week, and only very little toilet was coming, and our problems are going up and up. And when she came, I touched her. Sister, can you do hand like this? I just touched like this. Wallah, I did not do more touch. And I said, I understood her problem that she is not drinking water from long time, and her liver is completely dried. And then, Alhamdulillah, I gave her water and I gave her my BFP medicine. Due to this reason, she, because of BFP, she got a 5 ton big toilet. And now she is very, very happy. When in the morning she came, her face was completely deteriorated.
Yeah.
There was no hope of life. And now, Alhamdulillah, you see, she is very happy. And I told her she is not married, and I told her, inshallah, within 6 months, you will be perfectly fine, and then we will arrange your marriage. And now she is happy. Okay? But unfortunately, her carer told me that she is very sick of men. Why? Because she has been mistreated by men in the civil war. But I told her, sister, you don't worry. There are men who are angels as well, and there are men who are shaitan. So you have just encountered on shaitans, and also here you see how many people look after you, and many of them are men. Okay, so Alhamdulillah, I told her that because of every misuse of you, yeah, you encountered back home, you will get big Jannah, more bigger than this whole world for every time you have been misused. Okay. So honestly speaking, then in Akhirah you will be very, very proud. And Alhamdulillah, you have people around you like this sister who is looking after you. And today, whatever I am, but Alhamdulillah, I try to help you. So inshallah, we will carry on looking after you. And inshallah, after 6 months, she will have full confidence. She will have full life. And now, just like today, she has left the stick, and she has got big confidence. Inshallah, you will see within 6 months she will have even more confidence, and then we will educate her, and inshallah then one day you will be teacher in our school. Okay. Last week this mom approached me and told that her son remained sick, headache, and many health issues, and he was completely nothing in education. He's our student, and he was always behind. So I just check his hand because I checked for, the pulse, and from here, and I told mom that he is, because his hands were very cold, there was no life in the hands. It was appearing there is no circulation. I mean, not a proper circulation of blood. So I told mom that he must be using fizzy drinks and energy drink and Red Bulls. Red Bull. Mom said yes. So I told him that if you will carry on this, then you cannot improve your health wise or mental wise. So he promised that he will not touch. And then, Alhamdulillah, now you see he has a natural juice in his hand. Although it's not natural, but still better than fizzy drinks. And then last week, I just gave him one herbal tea, which is a natural energy booster. And he drank the tea and his hands became hot. And then when he went in the class, Alhamdulillah, he started making a very, very good progress. And up to now, how many tests have you finished? 17 tests in chemistry, he finished in 1 week. Normally, he did not used to finish even one test in the 6 months. And Alhamdulillah, now his confidence is high. And how many times you got 5 pounds from me?
4 times. No, at least 8.
8, 9 times he got 5 pounds because I told him whenever you will get 100%, you will get 5 pounds. So now, Alhamdulillah, mom is very happy and he is very happy. And also, I have told him that if you will get all 100% in GCSE and get level 9s and then 3 A star A level, then on the day of result, I will arrange your marriage. Okay? On my expense. And I will pay well. So now I tell in Urdu, آج صبح یہ بہن سعدیہ میرے پاس ہے سسٹر نعیمہ کے ساتھ. تو سسٹر نعیمہ ان کے ادھر لک آفٹر کرتی ہیں. تو یہ انہوں نے بتایا کہ یہ 35 سال سے بیمار ہیں. تو بیماری کیا ہوئی کہ صومالیہ میں جب وہ سول وار ہو رہی تھی, خانہ جنگی ہو رہی تھی, تو ان کے گھر پر حملہ ہوا. ان کے سارے گھر والوں کو شہید کر دیا گیا اور ان کو 5 دفعہ 5 مردوں نے ان کے ساتھ ظلم کیا. تو ان کا دماغی توازن خراب ہو گیا. پھر بہت یعنی حوصلے وغیرہ دینے کے بعد کچھ ان کے رشتہ داروں نے ان کی خدمت وغیرہ کی تو تھوڑا بہت ان کا دماغ ٹھیک ہوا. تو یہ یہاں لندن میں کسی طریقے سے پہنچ گئی. تو یہاں ان کے بڑے بڑے ہاسپٹلز میں علاج ہوئے, بڑے بڑے سائیکالوجسٹ نے ان کا علاج کیا, لیکن کوئی فائدہ نہیں ہوا. مرض بڑھتے ہی گیا جو علاج کیا. آج الحمدللہ یہ میرے پاس تشریف لائی ہیں تقریباً 10 بجے اور ابھی 5 بجنے والے ہیں. آج 19 اپریل ہے. تو اللہ کے فضل و کرم سے آپ یہ دیکھیں, یہ میں نے ان کو کہا بہن آپ کو انشاءاللہ 3-4 گھنٹے میں آرام آ جائے گا. تو اللہ نے میرے الفاظ کی لاج رکھی. تو آپ یہ دیکھیں آپ کے سامنے بیٹھی ہیں, ان کو اردو نہیں آتی. پہلے میں نے جب انگلش میں بتایا تو یہ مسکرا بھی رہی تھی باتوں کے اوپر. تو 50 سال کی ان کی عمر ہو گئی ہے. 35 سال سے جب یہ 15 سال کی تھیں اس وقت ان کے ساتھ ظلم ہونا شروع ہوا. تو کیونکہ ان کی ساری فیملی بھی شہید ہو گئی تو اس لیے ان کا کوئی لک آفٹر کرنے والا نہیں ہے. تو یہ بہن ان کی لک آفٹر کرتی ہیں. تو اللہ پاک ان کو بھی جزائے خیر عطا فرمائے. تو میرے پاس بھی لے کر آئی ہیں کیونکہ پچھلے ہفتے ان کا لڑکا یہ جو بیٹھا ہوا ہے یہ بہت سخت بیمار تھا. تو میں نے اس کا علاج کیا تو یہ بالکل فرسٹ کلاس ہو گیا, بلکہ پڑھائی میں بہت پیچھے تھا. تو میں نے بتایا کہ یہ جی فیزی ڈرنک اور یہ جو ریڈ بل وغیرہ پیتا ہے وہ بند کر دے. میں نے صرف ایسے ہاتھ لگا کے بتا دیا. تو میں نے کہا بالکل ٹھیک ہے. تو اس لڑکے نے توبہ کی. تو الحمدللہ اس کا کیا نتیجہ نکلا کہ یہ بالکل فرسٹ کلاس ہو گیا ہے اور اب ہمارے پاس یہ 8 ٹیسٹ میں پاس کر رہا اور 100% لے رہا ہے 1 ہفتے کے اندر الحمدللہ. تو پھر ماں نے سوچا کہ میں کیوں نہ یہ اپنی دوست کو بھی لے آؤں. تو یہ لے آئی ہیں. تو اللہ نے فضل و کرم کیا ہے کہ ان کو میں نے جلاب کی دوائی دی. ان کو ہفتے میں صرف 1 دفعہ ٹوائلٹ آتی تھی, وہ بھی تھوڑی ساری. تو پیٹ اتنا بڑا ہوا تھا کہ کم از کم 1 فٹ پیٹ اوپر تھا. ابھی بالکل ٹھیک ہو گیا. ان کو 5 دفعہ کھل کے جلاب آئے ہیں جس کی وجہ سے یہ بہت خوش ہو گئے. چہرے کے اوپر رونق آ گئی ہے. تو میں نے ان کو بتایا کہ انشاءاللہ 6 مہینے کے اندر اللہ نے چاہا تو یہ بالکل فرسٹ کلاس ہو جائیں گی. تو ان کا دماغی توازن بھی ٹھیک نہیں تھا. میں نے بہت حوصلہ دیا. میں نے کہا جو آپ کے ساتھ ظلم ہے اس کی وجہ سے آپ کو بڑی بڑی جنت ملے گی, جس کی وجہ سے بڑی خوش ہو گئی ہیں اور ان کو یقین بھی آ گیا. تو اب ان کا اعتماد اور حوصلہ بڑھ گیا ہے. تو اللہ تعالیٰ ہم سب کو انسانیت کی خدمت کی توفیق عطا فرمائے. السلام علیکم.